Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate with Kisses only way. Gather 2 cups milk, 8 to 12 Hershey Kisses, a whisk, and a small saucepan. Heat milk gently until steaming but not boiling, then add Kisses in small batches while whisking to fully melt. Sweeten to taste with sugar or honey, and finish with a pinch of salt and vanilla for balance and depth. Measure and prep ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Use 2 cups of milk and adjust intensity with 8 to 12 Hershey Kisses, adding more for a richer cup. Have vanilla and a pinch of salt ready to boost the chocolate flavor without overpowering it. Keep a whisk nearby for quick melting and a mug warmed ahead of time for the best sipping experience. Control the heat and whisk steadily for a velvety, lump-free hot chocolate using Kisses. Use medium-low heat and stop just short of boiling, adding Kisses gradually while whisking to dissolve them fully. If texture feels thin, simmer briefly while whisking to reduce slightly. If too thick, add a splash of warm milk. Finish with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a light dusting of cocoa for a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.